Hi. Welcome, No.
How is it going? I hope the food is ready. Because our special guest will soon be here.
Now the food is almost ready. What
about my daughter?
Oh, she's inside preparing.
Let me wash my hands and legs.
Is that right? No.
Father, you're welcome.
May Amadio has strike that your useless mouth. So you are here lazying around when there is no water in the house. Now listen, go straight there. Pick the pot and fill the whole pot with water.
Yes, Father.
Now move.
Now enough of this. Enough. Must you always curse her on every given opportunity, even on a special day like this? She's our daughter, remember?
Oh, point of correction. Your daughter, not my daughter. She cannot be. A child whose late father was my enemy until his death can never be my daughter.
My late husband, Onyema, is no more now. Why are you holding malice against the dead? Maltreating his child. My own daughter, who is supposed to be your adopted child. Why maltreating her for the deed of the past she knew nothing about? Why?
Woman, the sense of the father lives with the offspring. She can never be my daughter. Nonsense.
Father.
Enki, you look so beautiful for a special day like this. It's your day. Listen, very soon you will be crowned the queen of Nkalama Kingdom.
Father, I can't wait. I'm excited.
Who would it be? Listen, my dear, just continue. Let me go and freshen up.
Okay, Father.
Thank you. It could go distance. It could win a battle. It's alive in every one of us that wishes to ignite it. It will work for any one of us that wishes to use it. Right from the past, we used to be one blood, one love. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the
My prince, once more I want to say, I felt greatly honored when I received the news of your visit some days ago. My prince, I want to assure you that your visit is a fruitful one.
Thank you. Oh no, we here who said you are his best friend.
Oh yes.
Talked so much about your daughter's beauty and good behavior. And that is why I have actually come to see if he's right. And should it be, to introduce my intentions of making her my woman, my wife in waiting. And a woman I will be crowned with as a queen when I will succeed my father.
You mean the prince is coming to ask for your hand in marriage? And you didn't even care about me. Agama, your love. Is it fair?
Agama, I am sorry. There is nothing we could have done. You just have to get past this.
Say, Nkechi, Nke, my love. Nke, you know how far we've gone. Say, you have two options in this situation. It's either you say no to the prince, or you had me, Agama, hang myself, straight side. I'm serious.
It's okay, Agama, stop.
Now that we have reached a consensus, can you now call your daughter so that the prince will see her and know whether he's still interested?
Hey, okay. Nkechi. Nkechi nyere. Nkechi. Nkechi nyere. Nkechi. Nkechi.
Agama, just leave it.
Hey! Ewo! Okay. Hey! Snake bite. Snake bite. Hey! Chime!
It is a poisonous bite. Thank the gods. The herbalist is taking care of her. She will soon be fine. We have to go back to the palace. We will adjourn the visit to a future date.
Thank you, my prince, for your concern and understanding. No, thank you.
Oh no. Let's join others.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. Who are you?
My name is Adaobi, daughter of Omoma the Pawan Tepa.
Onoma. Onoma, the wine tapper.
Yes, my prince.
Whose house I just visited. And no one ever mentioned you. And why are you like this? What's the problem?
There's no problem at all, my prince.
No, there is. Tell me, what is it?
I have no story to tell, my prince.
God? You come and help her with this.
No, I can... No.
There's something about you that drew me to you the moment I set my eyes on you. Something very strong. It's only the gods that can tell this strong thing about you. My instincts never lies to me. It's okay. You just have to start going so that you see your sister. She was bitten by a snake.
Bitten by a snake?
Yes, it's okay. The herbalist is on it already. He's taking care of her. It's okay. It's okay. She's fine. She's fine now. They're taking care of her. I have come as promised to finish this journey I started.
Thank you, my prince, for keeping to your words.
I finished with the other protocol the other time I came. May I request the presence of the bride-to-be?
As my prince wishes. Oh no.
I have changed my plan. I want to marry your daughter Adaobi, not Nkechi.
Aaron, abomination. Kedebe kaneme. Kedebe ngudu faneme.
Osigini.
Nkechi, my sister, I am so sorry. I honestly feel so bad that you lost the prince's proposal to me. But you know it wasn't intended. You know that from my heart, I do wish you well. I wish I could make him change his mind. But you know, no one can question the prince's decision. Biko, my sister, I'm very sorry. Take her, Bikuno.
Your sister is right. This is a situation none of us can do anything about. Maybe that was the design of the gods. You have to move on. Please. Thank the gods we did not lose him entirely. Not when he will still marry your blood sister. Please.
It's okay, I understand.
Thank you very much for your understanding, Nkechi.
The gods have their reasons.
Mama!
Obika, what is it?
Mama, I saw Nayanoma, your husband. Fell from the palm tree when he was stabbing Pawan. He died on the spot. Come, let me show you. Follow me.
We all have to take heart over the mishap. The gods always have a purpose for everything we pass through. Be it good or bad. I have to put a stop to everything about my marriage plans till this mourning period is over.
Thank you very much, my son.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, my prince.
You're all welcome.
These two lovebirds don't cease to amaze me. I mean, when are they ever going to stop displaying their love drama at every given opportunity?
That love is eternal. That love is forever. You see that man over there? He would do anything, just anything to make sure that my sister Adaobi is okay.
Well, does that mean they are finally going to settle down as husband and wife?
Like you don't know the marriage preparations has already started. Eh? Oluchi.
Yeah?
Are you jealous?
Are you serious? Why would I be?
I just had to ask. Very soon, she will get married and she will become the Lolo. And I, the Lolo's sister.
Indeed, it is so. Well, congratulations in advance.
Thank you. Say that again. Let's fetch this water. I don't want them to see us and get distracted.
Oh no.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want to see my son immediately.
Consider it done, Your Majesty. God. Send for the prince immediately. Now.
I did not. See, look at it. No, there's nothing there. I will not be fooled twice. When I say look at this, you look at you are a bad person.
Obum, why are you here?
I'm sorry to interrupt, my prince. The king seeks your presence at the palace at once.
Is my father's head getting worse?
I think you need to see him, my prince.
You should go. I'm fine. Really, you should go.
Alright.
Your Majesty. prince is here.
Father. Father.
Son. Let's sit down.
How are you doing, Father?
I'm doing great. Yes, my son. Please sit down. I thank our gods and ancestors for keeping me alive to this moment.
Should I get you water?
No. If witches are horses, then the beggar would like to ride. I like your courage. I like your courage, goodwill. These are the qualities of a great king. That will lead you to peddle the affairs of this kingship. When I'm going to join my ancestors. One more thing. I want you to realize that you're my only son, the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. Our lineage will face a great threat if anything happen to you. Therefore, you must protect our family name by settling down with your future wife, Adaobi, so that you can give me grandchildren who will oppose the family name if I've come to see my ancestors. Your courtship is enough. Complete the marriage process as you're about to ascend the throne of Ngalaba Kingdom, to continue from where I stopped.
I've heard you. As we speak, my marriage plan is ongoing. But Father, please, you should stop talking about me sitting on the throne while you're still alive. You are still the king. Please.
Oh, my son, remember all that I said. Be a good king to your subjects. Farewell, the son of Odumozo.
When we cry, when we should remember that is a shame. Father!
My love, worrying or crying will not bring the king back. Tears will not change the fact that the king is gone. Remember, you are the next king of Ngamala Kingdom. And weakness is not a trait of the king. Be strong. And may the gods give you wisdom to rule your people.
Thank you for your words of consolation. They have indeed given me hope and courage again. There's this something that puts smiles on my face.
And that is?
Knowing that we will soon be joined together as husband and wife.
It's one of the best things to ever happen to me too.
Now that the mourning process of our late king,
Igwe Dumudu, has passed, we expect to commence the crowning process, which includes you getting married to your wife-to-be Adaobi, who will be crowned together with you as your Lolo.
My fathers. Oh no. Consider it done.
Enough, my lord. Enough. Calm down, for the gods are not asleep.
No word is enough to pacify a man who is as heartbroken as Zion. A man whose heart has been wrapped in the claws of anguish and sorrows. A man whom sadness become his daily feast. This is 2 years. Since 2 years we got married. Not a cry of a baby. I wonder what I have done to the cause that they have decided to visit me with plague.
It's not a plague, my love. The gods cannot be silent for too long. Very soon, just very soon, they will bless my womb with a seed.
For how long? For how long will they hold it? Have they not humiliated and tortured the king with something they bless? Even the lowest inhabitant of my kingdom with. I feel like I'm crushed.
No, my lord.
I'm a disappointment to my late father.
No.
And my entire lineage. The mantle placed on my hands is about to fall.
Oh.
Doom and sadness is what my future holds.
Enough, my lord, enough. Enough curses on yourself. I see a bright light. And I know that soon the gods will smile on us. Let us be patient. Do not curse the gods. It is really eating him up. He neither eats nor sleeps. I'm so worried. I fear I'm gradually losing him.
It's okay, sister. We can only hope. Be patient and pray for the gods to intervene.
Your junior sister is right. Yes. Our only hope lies with the gods, the giver of children. You know, I know that they're seeing your tears. They will come to our rescue.
It's very well, mother. I need to leave. I hate to leave him in this emotional state. I have to hurry back home.
I understand you, my daughter. But you have to wait for the food on the fire to be done, please. So you can eat something before leaving.
Mother.
Nah.
Very well then.
What's your problem now? See, it's because of this your nonsense attitude that made me lose the marriage to the prince.
Status. Nkechi, in fact, I don't know what to say to you. You're talking about status now because the prince came to you. When we were doing it in the bush, even secretly behind your backyard, you were saying, give it to me harder, give it to me more, give it to me more. Did you complain about status? You're a stupid girl. In fact, Nkechi, what is Nkechi? Nkenjo.
Please just go.
Stupid girl. Look at
Clown.
You want to give to the prince. Give them more. Waka.
That is a shame.
Yet again, you are worried. Why trouble yourself about a situation that you cannot change? Why have sleepless nights about a problem that you cannot solve?
As painful as it seems, it's only a shackle of life. It's a shackle of life. Shackle of life.
Okay. Nkechi, I am a mother. You are pregnant. You are.
Mother me pregnant.
Don't mother me. Don't. Who is responsible? Why? Nkechi, don't dare me. Don't dare me. Who is responsible?
Mama, I don't know.
What? I will tell you.
Aguma did wrong.
How could I make such a drastic mistake? Foolishly opening my ties for that pig. Now it has landed me to shame and humiliation amongst my fellow girls and the entire kingdom. The gods of our land, what do I do? How do I stand this shame?
Nkechi! Hi! After all my warnings to you, to desist from that useless relationship, I warned you, I told you he was worthless. How could you bring yourself so low to make such an error?
Ada, I wish I listened to you. This is the mistake that will haunt me for the rest of my life. Well, I have a plan.
What do you have up your sleeves this time?
I want to meet Omacha the herbalist to help me with Unchu leaf to flush this.
Shh! Hey! Gods of our land. You want to terminate a life? Nkechi, you want to make yet another mistake? A grave one for that matter. You want to take the life of a child that I am looking for? I cannot let you do that. It is a mistake, Nkechi. It will not only haunt your body, it will haunt your life, your soul, your conscience.
Okay, now, Ada, what do you suggest I do?
The deed has been done. You have to live with it and learn from your mistake.
Hi.
Is it hard?
Nkechi. My sister. I need to ask a favor from you. I'm scared. I'm worried. But I honestly hope that you do not disappoint me.
I am all ears. Ask whatever. You're my blood sister, aren't you? The least I could do is disappoint you.
Very well then. Hey. Nkechi. Can you... I mean, will you... Would you...
Speak. Ask me.
Can you marry my husband?
What? Do you realize what you're asking of me? To marry your husband? Adaobi?
Yes. We're sisters. One blood. We ought to share when the need arises. What does it matter? Huh? You have what I do not have. What I may or may never have as a woman. A life in your womb. Something my husband and I crave for. If you do not marry him, Nkechi, he'll certainly marry. To try for a seat. An heir to his throne. Think of the consequences, my sister, of bringing a total stranger to my house. Of sharing my matrimonial bed with a stranger. Save me from this shame, pain and disgrace. Bear this child for my husband. A child from my own blood. Marry him and sleep with him. And pretend this child is his. It'll be a secret between us. Sisters, one blood. I will not tell him you're pregnant. Save me from this pain, Nkechi. And save my husband from this emotional torture that has threatened to rip him apart. Help me, my sister. If you do this for me, Nkechi, I will forever be indebted to you. Please. What say you, sister? You haven't slept. You've refused to eat anything. You will lose your mind if you continue like this. Besides, I have a solution to this problem that I wish to discuss with you.
What solution?
My lord, my king, my love, I want you to marry my sister Nkechi.
What?
Might not be fertile, but I am sure she is.
Are you out of your mind? Do you realize what you're asking me to do? Yes. To marry your own blood sister?
Yes. You are king. And you can marry as many women as you wish. I would rather you marry my sister than bring a stranger home. Let her dry these tears. Let us stop this fear we have lived in for 2 years without a child. Please. Marry her and let her wipe our tears away, my lord. I want you to smile. I want to smile. Please.
I do not wish to share my heart and my soul with another woman except you.
No, my love. You're not sharing your heart and your soul with her. You're sharing our home. Our matrimonial bed. For us to smile. Please, my lord. Please.
I will do anything to make you happy. I will do your wish.
Are you people sure of the decision you have taken? I know why I am asking. I am an elder. I see beyond your understanding. Are you sure?
Mother, we are sure, and we have made up our minds.
Yes, Mother. This is the least I can do to save my sister from this pain and humiliation. Don't worry. Everything will be all right.
If you say so.
No. Now we have reached our agreement. Yes. Let me go cover that. Yes. No.
It's okay, man.
My sister, you do not know how happy you have made me. Thank you so much for bringing peace to our household.
Come on. You don't have to thank me. We're one blood. It's the least I could do. And I promise you, we will live in peace.
May the gods bless you, Nkechi.
Bless you too.
But I need to ask one more favor from you.
What?
Please. Please make him happy in bed tonight. Good morning, my lord.
Good morning, my dear. How was your night?
It was beautiful. And yours? I hope it was fun?
It was not. Without you by my side.
My lord, you have to get used to it now. Well, I hope she was okay.
My love, I don't want to talk about it. Please. I actually came because I know how lonely it must have been for you without me. But I'm glad I'm back into your arms now.
been 1 full month since you came. You have to break the news to him today.
You think the time is right?
Yes. Before your tummy becomes pronounced, to avoid suspicion.
Okay, as you wish.
Very well then.
I have good news.
What good news?
I'm pregnant for you.
Don't tell me it's a joke.
No! It's not a joke, my king. I can't joke with such.
Oh. May the gods be praised. May the gods be praised. Your sister was right. Oh, you have indeed made me more happier than I am. Thank you. Thank you for bringing blessing to this home and my kingdom. Oh. I promise you, I will cherish you more than I have ever done. Thank you.
Tell me, what was his reaction?
I have never seen him that excited before.
I knew it. I knew he'd be so happy. Finally, he's going to become the happy man he has always been. And all his sorrows will be over. Oh, Nkechi. Thank you so much.
Come on.
Thank you for saving us.
Thank you.
My sister. Please tell me, he smiled?
He smiled. He even touched my tongue.
He did.
I love how you're feeling.
A bit feverish.
I'm sorry. I'll send for Macha the herbalist to come and check on you before your illness gets worse.
Thank you, my lord.
Please, don't be sad for me. Okay?
Long live your majesty. You sent for me.
The queen, my wife, has been feeling sick. I want you to see to her.
Always at your service, your majesty. Where is she?
At her chamber. The guards will take you to her. My love, Omacha, how is my wife doing?
The gods has favored her.
How? But my wife is only sick.
She has your seed in her womb.
Omacha.
I'm pregnant.
What? Omacha. You must be joking. What are you joking?
Did the gods joke, your majesty? Rejoice for their blessings.
The gods praise.
What good news.
Indeed, Nkechi.
Of what use is it then, now the gods has blessed you with the same reason you brought me into this palace, the fruit of the womb? What use am I then?
Nkechi, don't sound like that. Hey, you are still my sister and my co-wife. Moreover, The king has officially married you. We will live together in peace like we used to.
You're right. You're very correct.
Eyes of the God. I've come to fulfill the promise I made to Nguku, our God. The promise I made in my days of doom and childlessness. That if Nguku, our God, blesses my wife with the fruit of womb, I shall return with gratitude. Today, my kinsmen and I have come with these goats as a way of gratitude. Thank you, Njinji. Please, help us thank and appreciate the gods for this good thing they have done for my household. Thank you.
Igwe jelubia nekwa iwe bu we biake o jikwo ni iwe oriri o iwukwo
Very well. How are you feeling?
Good. I'm okay.
Uju,
Yes,
you want to
Your
get her some
Majesty.
water?
Okay, Your Majesty.
I'm okay.
Please, Your Majesty, let me go and get something for you, please.
Come on, I said I'm fine.
There goes Uju for you. It's very well, Uju.
Okay, Your Majesty. Thank you.
So,
Ada, my sister, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So, how is our husband?
Oh, he went out.
He went out, really?
Yes.
To where?
His joy has been overwhelming since my conception. So he went to give thanks to the gods with a huge ram.
That's so good.
Yes.
Wow. Your pregnancy seems to be the only thing that has given him much happiness.
Of course. That is the only thing fit to make him happy.
I'm glad.
Thank you, my sister.
Come on, thank you. Thank you too. Now I need that drink.
Okay, Your Majesty. I'll be right back.
I need to do. She was so happy.
thicker than water. Love, I know, stronger than a hate. It could go distance. It could win a battle. It's alive in every one of us that wishes to ignite it. It will work for any one of us that wishes to use it. Yeah. Right from the past, we used to be one blood, one love. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the
Pregnancy is the reason it goes up. My baby. The garment.
My baby. My baby.
How long is it going to take? You want to draw it down, the skirt?
Go and tell the king that I need to see him in my chambers now. Go!
Oh, underneath.
Long live my king. The Queen, Her Majesty, requests your presence in her chambers. She said it is urgent.
Tell her I will be with her when I come back.
Yes, Your Majesty.
No, my lord. You should go and see her. Besides, you still have an hour before the meeting.
My love. Let's go.
No. She said it was urgent. You should go.
If you say so.
My lord.
Yes, dear.
I do not feel very well. Perhaps I should retire to my chambers and rest.
If you say so. I will send for Macha, the herbalist, to come and check on you.
Thank you, my lord.